So this is the Cebu Capitol area. Very beautiful. It's Christmas already. Christmas feels. Yeah. Welcome to our night drive. Just came up Park Lane and look at now. We're gonna see Cebu at night. That is our Cebu Provincial Capitol, guys. This drive. Yes, we're coming here, then we're gonna go to Fuente. Very beautiful. So we're gonna check out the streets of Cebu. And kumusta ang Christmas spirit na to. So by the way, you might be surprised why it's so different. Because I'm using, you know, a camera, not a phone. So yeah, welcome to our night drive. And that's we're heading towards Fuente, Osmeña, so that you'll see our Christmas tree, Cebu's Christmas tree. We'll have a quick spin here in Fuente just to see the beautiful Christmas tree. There. This is how Fuente Osmeña looks like at night, guys. We're in there. So Christmas tree. And we're gonna take a little spin here para lang makita na to on a different angle. We'll take a U-turn. There's welcome, the welcome to Cebu City sign. This is how it looks like at night. Beautiful. Right? So Cebu at night, guys, with a brighter camera. Take a U-turn here, and then we are gonna see our Christmas tree. Yo. There it is. Cebu's Christmas tree. And welcome to Cebu. Welcome. Wow. There it is. Our Christmas tree. But it's night now. It's around 8:09, 8:06. And we're gonna go to the Mango Avenue. Kumusta ang Mango Avenue at this time? Whoa, look at the moon. Is it the moon? What's that? I didn't a moon. But yeah, I don't know what was that. Was that the moon? But yes, this is the Mango Avenue, the famous Mango Avenue. We don't have batteries anymore, but yeah, we'll just finish. Yes. And this is the famous Mango Avenue, but now it's so hilom, and that's mango. Look at the, you can see the LEDs on the street. Yeah. So, mao na guys ang Cebu. On the side mirror. Ito tanaw. On that angle. And this angle. And where I go. There's the moon. It was really the moon. Hinduta good sa moon. The moonrise today. So mao ni. Yeah, this is how Mango Avenue looks like at 8 o'clock. Ningaw na. Amazing. Amazing trip. So yes, that's the we're entering Ayala Center, Cebu area, or Cebu Business Park, as we call it. And I hope to see that big moon once again. I don't know, it's covered by the buildings, but we'll see the Christmas decorations of Ayala on this side. This is Ayala Center's decorations. Oh. There, that's Ayala Center, Cebu, guys. Colorful. But these are their street lights. These are their street lights. It's like people celebrating Christmas, giving gifts, and their Christmas trees. And look at this pedestrian area, very colorful, shaped like a gift. And of course this one. There you go, guys, and thank you so much for joining me on this trip.